Hello friends and teachers. In this video, what I am going to tell you, how can you provide the description in your sessions and how can you create your theory classes. For example, I have theory classes for the section D is on Tuesdays, on every Tuesday. So what I have to do, first of all, you don't need to create multiple sessions right now here. So description tab will be open. So right now what I am going to write in here, section theory class of PR1 and PR2 on of theory class 1 and PR2. So I can take the same class base and so what I have to do, I am just giving the theory class. So right now what I am going to do it here, so I will create multiple sessions, so it is close. And I am giving these sessions for the section D. So I will click on this section D, and the session was started from the 15th of February and its end date will be 5th of June. So I have to click on 5th and then I have to click on June. And these classes on every Tuesday. So both are having classes on Tuesday. So I have to provide 12 hours because one is in the morning and one is in the 11:30. So students will get the time to, for example, they will having the time to mark their attendance. So I am writing in the start time is 8:30 and the duration will be from 12 hours, and this is 00, and late there is no marking of late, and this multiple sessions I'm going to create and the attendance will be automatic. So what I have to do, I have to click on the add sessions. So you can see the multiple sessions will be created for the class of my section D. So you can see Monday and Tuesday. So nothing. The session is created. Okay, this is showing I want all classes. So section B, section A was not conducted, section D classes here. But in multiple session, it is not going to give anything in the classes that it is theory class or whatever. So you have to create individual sessions to provide the description. So for example, I have to click on section D. So what will happen? It will show me all the classes of section D. So what does it mean by that? A description you can provide it for if you are creating classes individually, but not for the multiple sessions. So right now you can see all of my section classes of section D. If there are two theory teachers for section, for example, we are sharing the course and section A and B is having different teacher and section C and D is having different teachers. So if you want to download the attendance for section D, so you can click on the section D group here and you will get all the attendance from here sessions. So I have already told you in my previous video, so how will be able to download the attendance. So for example, if I want to click on this take attendance, so I can manually mark the attendance of the students. So this is the procedure. All the students are absent because there is no class up till held here. So now what I have to do, I have to make another session for the students of section C. So I have to provide the days, and for example, that day is included Wednesday and Fridays. So what I have to do, I have to create the session. So let's have a start and let me add sessions over here. So this is automatic and the session started from 15th of February and it will be up to 5th of June. So I have to click on in June and the classes will be on Wednesday and Fridays. So it will be started from morning So I am giving it from 8:30 up till 12 hours. I'm giving plenty of time for my students to visit VLE and C lectures, not for the all students, only for the section C. So add sessions. So continue, it is sessions successfully generated. So now done, you can see the section C classes are here, not started, and all that. And if you want to see class settings, so you will click on here. If you want to see grade settings, so grade setting is not of marking. So you can see if I will click on the late, early and journal or all that, so not called. So when I click on it, so what will happen, not called option will get away. So I have to update this. And when I will move into the sessions, so what will happen, so I have to go into this. For example, all classes are here. So what, for example, I have to click on the section D classes. So what will happen, I have to go into the take attendance. On now you can see there is no option of no called, not called. So there is the option of present or absent and nothing else. So you will find it easier. How can you mark attendance for the student? Obviously I will provide the automatic attendance over here, because in this semester we are working on the hybrid system. So 50% students should have to be present in the physical classes, and we have to provide them lectures for the 50%, so they have to study online. So it will create distances, and it will reduce the burden from the infrastructure and from the teachers as well. So hopefully you will get my point and you will learn a lot from this video. And if you find this helpful and useful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't click on the notification bell, and must share with your family and friends. And don't forget to follow me on www.nahishazad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.